Hello everyone, welcome to Handy Minds. Today we have a Volkswagen ID car key fobs. All of the Volkswagen ID use the same kind of key fob like this. Today I'll show you how to replace the battery of this type of key fob. For this you need a 2032 type lithium 3-volt cell battery. I put the link in the description. First you need to pull out the mechanical key. Pressing this button on the side, it will come out easily. Next, you need to flip the key and take a flat head screwdriver like this one, and then push it from the inside like this. It will come out easily. Now you need to take the flathead screwdriver and it will pop out. Take the new battery, place it over here with this side on the top. Take the cover, place it in place, then take the mechanical key. It will click like this. Now next, press this button. If it's blinking red, then the battery replacement is good. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.